Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Storytelling. Alphabet U to Z. Hello kids. We're going to read a fun little story using the letters U to Z. U for Umar. Umar found an umbrella, U for umbrella, in the park. Look, there it is, so colorful and bright. As he walked further, he saw a van, V for van, nearby, selling juicy watermelons. W for watermelons. Don't they look delicious? After buying one, Umar went home to play his beloved violin. V for violin. Can you hear the lovely music? The next day, for breakfast, he enjoyed eggs with yolk. Y for yolk. Yummy and healthy. Later he decided to visit the zoo. Z for zoo. Making his day even more fun. What animals do you think he saw? That's the end of our U to Z story. Let's quickly remember the letters and the words. U for Umar and umbrella, 5 for van and violin, W for watermelon, Y for yolk, Z for zoo. Great job, everyone. Now say the letters with me. U, V, W, Y, Z. Amazing. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a letter master. See you soon with another fantastic activity. Bye-bye, superstars.